Hey kids, do you want to learn about parrots? Let's read all about them with Parrots, a My Incredible World picture book. Page 1. Parrots are a group of birds known for their colorful feathers and ability to mimic human speech. Parrots are found in all tropical and subtropical regions of the world. They are able to survive in a wide range of habitats, including forests, savannas, and deserts. There are almost 400 different species of parrots. Their feathers come in a variety of colors, including red, blue, green, yellow, and white. The smallest parrot species is only 3.1 inches or 8 centimeters long. The largest species can grow up to 3.3 feet or 100 centimeters long and weigh up to 6.2 pounds or 2.8 kilograms. That's a big bird. Parrots are omnivorous and eat a variety of foods, including fruits, seeds, nuts, and insects. Some species can even use tools, such as putting a stick into a tree to extract insects. Parrots have a unique digestive system that helps them extract nutrients from tough plant materials. Pet parrots usually eat special parrot food, along with fresh fruits and vegetables. Parrots have zygodactyl feet. This means that they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward. See their toes up there? Parrots are highly social animals and live in flocks in the wild. They are known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Parrots have a highly developed sense of hearing and can mimic a variety of sounds, including human speech. That means parrots can talk. Isn't that cool? Some species can live for more than 80 years. Parrots are popular pets all around the globe. They are known to be affectionate and can form strong bonds with their owners. Look at that bird giving him a kiss. Parrots are able to manipulate objects using their feet and beaks. They are also important seed dispersers and help to maintain the health of forest ecosystems. Parrots are incredible. We hope you enjoyed learning about parrots with us today. To learn more about our incredible world, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks!